Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily integrate Printful with your Shopify store. Whether you're starting a clothing brand, custom merch line, or just want to sell your own designs without worrying about inventory, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to have both a Shopify account and a Printful account. If you don't already have a Shopify store, don't worry. Creating one is super quick. Just go to Shopify's website, click Start Free Trial, and follow the prompts to set up your store. Next, head over to the Printful homepage and click Get Started or Sign Up. You can register using Google, Apple, Facebook, or with your email. If you choose the email option, just enter your full name, email address, and password, then hit Sign Up. Once that's done, your Printful account is ready to go. Now let's connect Printful to your Shopify store. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for Printful, Print on Demand. When you find it, click Install. Once the installation is complete, log into your Printful account through the app dashboard. You'll then see an option that says Connect Store to click that, confirm your details. And your Shopify store will be successfully linked with Printful. Now comes the fun part, adding products. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Apps and open Printful, Print on Demand. Inside Printful, navigate to Store and click Add Product. This will open up the full product catalog. Here, you can choose what kind of product you want to sell: t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, or anything else Printful offers. Once you pick your product, you can customize it using the Printful mockup generator. Upload your design, adjust placement, choose variants like color and size, and even select the product mockup that'll appear on your Shopify store. Then fill in the product details, set your price, and click Submit to Store. Printful will automatically sync your new products with Shopify, which may take a minute or two. After syncing, you can view the product directly in Shopify or make any edits you want, just like you would with a regular product. And that's it. You've officially connected Printful to your Shopify store and added your first print-on-demand product. Now every time someone orders from your store, Printful will automatically print, pack, and ship it straight to your customer. You just collect the profit. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of products you're planning to design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.